Hey, what's up guys, this is Matthew Ma here, and I just picked up the Apple iPhone XR. Now let's open the box. Inside the box comes with AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, 5-watt USB power adapter, user manual, and of course the Apple stickers. Let me know in the comments below what you do with your Apple stickers. The Apple iPhone XR 128GB Space Gray is a major upgrade for those coming from an iPhone 7 Plus. The iPhone XR features an edge-to-edge display that is 6.1 inches and has a 1792 by 828 resolution at 326 pixels per inch. The same 326 pixels per inch as an iPhone 8. Even though the iPhone 7 Plus has 401 pixels per inch on a 5.5 inch display and the iPhone X has 458 pixels per inch, this LED display looks great. If you're looking for true blacks, an OLED display, and willing to spend $250 plus more, then iPhone XS or last year's iPhone X is the way to go. The iPhone XR features the next generation A12 Bionic chip with neural engine, the same chip as the iPhone XS. With a 7nm design, 6 cores, and ability to handle 5 trillion operations per second, this phone is blazing fast, making this phone usable for years to come. With real-time machine learning, it's able to capture more detail in portrait mode, have greater dynamic range in smart HDR photos and video. The true depth camera and neural engine work great for Face ID, depth perception, portrait photography, and videography. With its f1.8 aperture and neural engine, it's able to capture great low light. In comparison to the iPhone X, this phone has extended dynamic range for videos up to 30 frames per second. Face ID setup is super easy, and using it to install apps, login verification, and Apple Pay is so convenient compared to Touch ID. I've been using Face ID with the iPhone X since it came out, and I can't live without it. Having Face ID on the new Apple iPad Pro in portrait and landscape mode is also a great feature. One thing I can't wait for is for iPhones to use Face ID horizontally. I wonder when Macs will be able to have that. The battery life on this iPhone XR is amazing. Luckily, the iPhone XR has wireless charging, which is a great convenient feature. I've been using my Anker PowerPort Wireless 10 connected to my Apple 5-watt charger to charge my phone throughout the night. For a fast charge, you can always use a USB-C to Thunderbolt cable, which is sold separately, and connect it to an Apple USB-C charger from Apple's latest iPad or MacBook. The new iPhone XR also comes with stereo recording for the first time. Let's take a quick look at how this sounds in comparison to the iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone X. Hey, what's up guys, this is Matthew Ma. Hey, what's up guys, this is Matthew Ma. Hey, what's up guys, this is Matthew Ma. Finally, when comparing this phone to the older iPhones, you may notice you may lose the dual lens system, 2x optical zoom, 3D touch, Touch ID, and the home button. But the benefits of having the latest iPhone with edge-to-edge display, A12 Bionic chip, neural engine, Face ID, better battery, and wireless charging make this device better in about every way, especially for the cost savings compared to the iPhone XS. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.